Alright, we have here our new beautiful 2006 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Florida owned, clean title, very nice clean interior, engine transmission, drives perfect, ice cold AC, tinted windows, roof rack. Already replaced the tire, two front tires. Nice tail lights, tow hitch, back windows are tinted, radio works perfectly. It's a very nice SUV. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up and let you hear the engine and go for a quick test drive. Really nice interior. Alright, this one is 4x4. And just go ahead and find the key real quick. I just had it here in my pocket. Oh, there we go. Oh, right here on the chair. Okay, let's go and start her up. Starts right up beautifully. Only has 102,000 miles. The radio works perfectly. Windows, everything. No check engine light. Alright, let's go for a test drive. Yeah, it drives very nice, this one. Very smooth. Feels really good. Alignment, AC, brakes, high-speed balance. Everything feels very nice. Alright guys, any other questions, just let us know. Thank you very much. Bye.